Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Beyond the Weld. Today we're going to be qualifying a new material combination. Going to be SA516 laser welded with Cobalt 6. So this is something we've been working on a lot in the last couple of years, is growing our library of WPS and PQRs. So we get a coupon. This one is 6x6 by 1 inch thick. And then we're going to weld it up and ship it out to a third-party test house to validate that weld procedure. So then when different customers come to us with this combination, we have a validated, approved process that we can share with them. Know the parameters are going to be consistent every time. We're going to have solid results time and time again. So we're going to go over here with Alex. And so with this Cobalt 6, how big of a pad will you be building up on this coupon plate?
So for pads like this, we do 1.5 inches by 6 inches long.
Okay.
2 layers thick.
2 layered.
Yep.
Gotcha.
And that gives them enough to FPI, bend test it, whatever they need to do to qualify it.
Okay. And so with these, do you always have to weld by hand or can you use a wire feeder?
Typically, we'll set up a wire feeder and have it almost run itself.
Okay.
But for this wire, we don't have it on a spool, so we're going to feed it by hand, but it's going to be just as consistent as it would be with the wire feeder.
Okay. Very cool. So we'll let Alex get set up on that. As you can see, both on the TV and down at the coupon plate, Alex is welding in pulse mode. So with that, the weld puddle is instantaneously liquefying and re-solidifying. And with that heat input staying at a minimum, means we're able to keep that heat affected zone extremely small. Typically, like we talked about in season 1, that heat affected zone ranges from about 8 to 10 thou, which is a tenth of that of conventional TIG, which ranges from about 80 to 100 thou. Thanks for checking in for today's episode of Beyond the Weld. Glad we got to talk through a little bit about what it looks like when we're qualifying a WPS and PQR to ASME Section 9. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, but look forward to talking with you guys again on the next episode, Beyond the Weld.